Are you being annoyed by the Winnsi Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. While preparing the manual steps for Winnsi Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Winnsi Library, the Windows Network Store Interface, NSI Library. It manages the localized storage and localized retrieval of localized network configuration data, bridging localized application queries to the localized network stack kernel. Mandatory for localized IP address management. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Winnsi is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Winnsi library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that Winnsi Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Winnsi Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Winnsi Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.